All right, it's been a little bit since I made a video, and tonight I'm screwing around with some stuff. I got my everything packed in my pack for this season to see how everything works out. I have a lot of new stuff. The one thing that's old that I used last season was a Lone Star from Latitude saddle. This year I added another dump pouch to it, so I have tether on one side, Lyman's on the other, and underneath the tether I also have a gear strap. I think it's a tethered his strap, and there's also a Lone Star back band. I'm trying to not decide I'm gonna go with the saddle thing. I'm gonna try and be a little bit comfortable. So I picked up the back band, and it is like a recliner. It's awesome. I'm digging that. Another thing I picked up this year was a set of knee pads. Don't want to brag about this, but I got knee pads now. Picked these up on a blanket sale for like 15 bucks, and they still had a tag on them, so that was a cool find. I also have new film equipment. I'm using the Lone Wolf Custom Gear Razor, I think it is, camera arm, and I picked up a fluid head from Amazon for like 30 bucks. Also picked up a clamp that I plan on putting in my his strap, so it's pointing on me. So my GoPro will be at me, and then my cell phone, which I filmed with last year, will be on the fluid head and the razor arm. Also new this season is I'm using the Latitude sticks. They're super light. I'm digging them so far. I got them at the end of last season, so I've been playing with them all summer. And I also have in here a profile platform that I picked up at the end of the season also. Still using the same pack, which is a pop-up 28 from Mr. Ranch. I've had it for like 4 years now. I love it. I'm not going to screw with it. Hey, just for proof, the tag's still on here. I guess I can get rid of that. So my plan is just to go up in a tree in the backyard, get all set up, make sure I can get everything. I mean, like, I've already been screwing around with the sticks in the stand, or the platform and the saddle, but I want to mess around with the camera equipment and just kind of film a little bit from it. So that's the plan for my video today. Hopefully this goes well. That's about all we got. All right, up in my tree, got all squared away. I'm still messing around with the camera arm. I think I'm gonna get rid of, I got the Lone Wolf Custom Gear razor, and I think I'm gonna get rid of one of the arms because I got the 3 arms, and I think the third arm is just getting in my way. I'm gonna go to 2. I'm using a GoPro mount with a swivel up here on my gear strap. I'm using a Latitude bow hanger, which I'm on the fence about because every time I pick my bow up, it goes up. And it's a little wonky with the camera arm. On this side, you can see I have my binoculars. My pack is down below that. I am wearing the Latitude knee pads so I can kind of kick back, relax a little bit. I do have the back band, so if I really want to get into lazy boy recliner mode, I can do that too. But I'm really psyched with everything I have set up. It's super comfy. It's gonna be a good season. I'm really fired up about this. I just took 3 shots at my target that's at about 18, 19 yards, somewhere in there. I'm happy with that group. That'll kill a deer. This year I'm shooting my PL. It's a new one I got this summer. It's the same specs as the one I used last year, which is 62 inches. The only difference is this one's 48 pounds. The last one was 47. That one was Bacote and this one's Osage. Other than that, I'm using the carbon sticks from Latitude. They're super light. I'm digging those. Those are new for me this year, and I'm using the profile platform, the regular one, not the XL, and I'm pretty excited about that. That seems to be working all right. Other than that, that's about it. Nothing new gear-wise. It's pretty much all the same stuff as I used last year. The Lone Star saddle, which is super comfy. I do have an extra, I put a tethered dump pouch on the back so I can stuff my gear hoist in there. And that's about it. It's mainly the camera gear is the really neat part that I'm starting to try and get squared away, in the camera arm, I should say. And then that GoPro clamp. It's like a potato chip clamp. It's sweet. Gives me that second angle that I wanted to get. But 2 weeks. Can't wait for the season. Hope everybody's doing good.